to connect your Proscan Bluetooth speaker. So it's gonna depend on your model, but the process should technically be very similar, or at this point, maybe the same. We have the buttons over here. You can focus on these, since what you're gonna do first is to turn on the speaker and then go to the buttons, which is to press the pair, the Bluetooth, or the mode button. So the mode button is going to be this specifically. You have the M symbol. If it's a Bluetooth symbol, press on that, or a pair button. Once you've done that, you can go ahead to your PC or device that you want to connect this with. In our case, we're going to try it on the PC. You can go ahead to the system over there, and then go ahead to Bluetooth and devices. I mean, not system, Bluetooth and devices, and then toggle on your Bluetooth. Pretty much the same with any other device. And then add a device and choose the Bluetooth option. Then you're going to look for the speaker itself. The name should be something similar to a Proscan or the model number, depending on your manual, or it should just show up there. Tap or click on the speaker and just confirm the connection. You will hear a connected sound or see a solid light for your speaker, but that's pretty much the process. Hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.